This was my first attempt with the GoPro to catch birds at the suet cake. And I got a tufted titmouse. And you could hear it flutter in. And the other birds back there, mostly cardinals, finches. I had a pole strapped up with some of Grant's cord, but the pole was not secured at the base. It was just the easiest thing to do. And the birds, that bird showed up within 3 minutes of setting up the camera. Something fun to do on a wet and cool day, besides compost and put things out for the birds. Oh, that might have set the pole in motion. Oops, here it goes. Whoops. Around and down. Then I came out to pick it up because I saw it fall. And unbeknownst to me, the camera was still on and upside down. And I came in the house. There's Newsom napping with the cat in his lap and the dog by his side. And my landing place.